Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and functionality to your home, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of window blinds. So, let's explore the different types of window blinds and gather some fantastic home furnishing ideas. 1. Benefits of window blinds. Before we jump into the types of window blinds, let's quickly go over some of the benefits they bring to your space. Window blinds offer superior light control, allowing you to adjust the amount of sunlight that enters a room. They are fantastic decorative elements that can instantly enhance the aesthetics of your home. 2. Venetian blinds. First up, we have the timeless Venetian blinds. These are characterized by horizontal slats that can be tilted to control the amount of light and privacy. Venetian blinds come in various materials, such as wood, faux wood, aluminum, and even vinyl. 3. Roller blinds. Next, let's talk about roller blinds. These are a sleek and minimalistic option that's perfect for a contemporary look. Roller blinds are made from a single piece of fabric that can be smoothly rolled up or down. 4. Roman blinds. If you're aiming for a softer, more luxurious vibe, consider Roman blinds. These blinds stack up evenly when raised, creating elegant folds. They come in various fabric options, from sheer to blackout, enabling you to achieve the desired level of light control and privacy. 5. Vertical blinds. Vertical blinds are a fantastic solution for larger windows or sliding doors. As the name suggests, these blinds have vertical slats that can be rotated for light and privacy adjustment. They are available in different materials, including fabric, vinyl, and even PVC, making them durable and easy to clean. 6. Cellular honeycomb blinds. For those interested in energy efficiency, cellular or honeycomb blinds are a fantastic choice. These blinds have a unique cellular design that traps air, providing excellent insulation. 7. Conclusion and styling tips. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of window blinds. When selecting the right blinds for your space, consider factors like the room's purpose, decor style, and your personal preferences. Mixing and matching different types of blinds within the same space can also create a visually appealing look.